Hey everyone, welcome back. Thinking about trying the Awzlove Bee Venom Cream for vitiligo, the idea sounds tempting. Restore pigment, reduce spots, and heal your skin using bee venom. But does this buzz cream really work, or is it just another sketchy skincare scam? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. The Awzlove Bee Venom Cream is advertised as a solution for vitiligo and various other skin concerns. Its Amazon product page claims the formula repairs skin pigmentation and restores natural skin tone thanks to bee venom extract herbs and other supposed skin healing components. Bee venom itself is a legitimate skincare ingredient. Healthline notes it contains compounds that may soothe inflammation and enhance skin texture. Still, there is no solid scientific proof that it can cure or reverse vitiligo, which is an autoimmune disorder. Red flags pop up when you look at the brand. Awzlove has no official website, no clear contact details, and its packaging appears generic. Scam alert sites such as Malware Tips have also called out the Awzlove name for questionable marketing tactics and potentially fake listings. Although a handful of 5-star ratings appear on Amazon, they read like copy and paste blurbs and lack specific details, typically signs that a product's credibility is shaking. So is Awzlove Bee Venom legit or a scam? Honestly, it looks more like a marketing gimmick than a medically backed treatment. Bee venom might help with basic skincare, but when it comes to treating vitiligo, there's just no scientific. If you're serious about managing vitiligo, it's better to talk to a dermatologist than trust a random cream off the internet with zero credibility. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.